What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen we grabbed this beautiful red and like grayish CVO yesterday. Even turned it on. That thing sounds amazing. The bikes are getting picked up tomorrow, so nothing else to do there but get these wheels on there, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special right here, this brown thing that everybody loves so much, man, head over to everythingsregular.com. Copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we do have our chrome forks in for our new 2021 Harley right there, so I'm about to go pick them up right now, and then we'll probably try to get those swapped out today, get them put on. That way we can go for the first ride on that, because we haven't even read that one yet, so can't wait for that. And let's just see what we can get done, though. All right, so first, I know when I take those forks off, I'm gonna need that jack stand the whole time that's on there, so I want to get this one out the way first. So we're gonna jack this up, put these wheels on there, switch that out, and then we'll probably get the forks knocked out. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys, and just like I suspected, looks a whole lot better already. That black wheel definitely brings out the flames and everything in that front end, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. That thing looks freaking amazing. Let's go ahead and get this back wheel swapped out now. Once we do that, we'll be ready to rock. Man, we done finally got that back wheel off. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. That thing took some work. The freaking brake caliper was like stuck to the freaking to the disc, but got it out. So let's see if we can get this back one on real easy like now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, after a little sweating, struggling, we got it on there, got it good to go. Still got paper on that wheel. That's how new that wheel is. Freaking, it does look really good, man. It does look really good. I need to detail this thing all the way up so we can see its full potential. So we can see that full potential. Now we can literally go on the first ride on this joint. Does seem pretty legit. I'll probably go on the first ride later on when the sun goes down. Right now it's like entirely too hot. So in the meantime, I think I do want to go get these, pull this 21 out and get these forks swapped out. Yeah, I think that's what I might do, man. So we'll see. We shall see. I might even wipe this one down a little bit. I don't know just yet. It's hot. Got my mind going. Alrighty, guys. Later on in the day, man, I had to go upstairs. I ended up laying down, and that was all she wrote, man. I didn't get to take the forks off. Nothing. It was just so hot. This heat be ridiculous, like, during the day, man. So, sun's finally went down. So, I'm about to hop on this thing and go for a first ride. Hopefully, we'll be good to go, man. Let's pull her out and get her started up. All right. Got her pulled out, looking good. Let's see if we can get some action on. Let's see. Yes, sir. She ready. She ready, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the desert. This thing is riding pretty good. Riding pretty good, looking good. Making a statement through traffic. These pipes sound excellent when you get in that gas, man. I'm just loving it. I don't know if the sound, how great the sound is on the GoPro, but definitely in person, sound is really great. And then we did wipe this thing off a little bit. We didn't get the chrome treatment in, but we did wipe it off. Does look good, sound good, run good. So I'm pretty excited, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing sound like a freaking beast. like that, we done made it back to the house. This one ride pretty good. Sound even better. Man, it's like the sound and the torque on these CVOs, the 110s, is just something different, dog. I'm loving it. What y'all think about the first ride so far? How y'all think it's looking with these black wheels on there? I am digging it. What y'all think? So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna thank everybody out there for tuning in today. I appreciate you guys, man. What did you guys think about the red CVO that we freaking changed the wheels on and rode today, man? I think it was so freaking fun. Although hot as heck, was a really nice ride, man. I did enjoy it. As for my 2020 Road Glide special right here, the brown one, man, it is up for giveaway, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We probably only got about 40 or so wallets left, man. So if you guys haven't entered for my Road Glide, man, head over there right now and get your entry. Meanwhile, our 2021 will be getting tackled tomorrow. Chrome fork, so on and so forth. Now, we do have an appointment for a cam and a dyno. However, I did just buy this CVO, so I don't know if I'm still gonna cam it right now, at least. I don't know, just a thought. Man, we'll see what happens though. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna thank everybody out there for tuning in. I will catch you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.